What's up guys, Iki with DCC Train. I'm going to show you how I'm operating those lights. Here I go. So F0 is on, I'm turning it off. No directional lights, so they are directional. With the new update of the Z21 multi-mouse, I'm just pressing the upper shift key on the bottom left and changing direction, and engine is not moving. Before it was like this, so I'm pressing it and just turning the knob and it's moving, so I cannot change direction when it's just sits. So now I'm turning the changing direction again, so now it's going backwards. And now I can turn emergency lights with function 1, and same thing with function 2 on the other end. So those emergency lights, my $1,000,000 questions, when it's engine complete, stop and turning those lights, or it can be moving with some issue maybe and turning those lights on. So here I go. Thanks for watching, supporting business, and have a good one. Bye bye.